Hi to all. Once again, welcome back to Avisan Kitchen. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to make coconut burfi in Hamari style. Wow! It looks so awesome. I know you will definitely going to do this after watching our recipe. So let's start. First we are going to make sugar syrup. For that take water and add sugar. Now keep this for boiling. Now take freshly grated coconut. Toss it for 1 to 2 minutes on pan. Make sure it should not change the color. Take it out. Now we will check our sugar syrup. You can see here sugar dissolved completely and it's getting boiled nicely. Now take milk in a pan. Once milk becomes warm, add our fried coconut. Mix it nicely on a low flame. Keep on mixing. In coconut burfi recipe, you have to keep on mixing continuously. I know the hand will pain, but at the end this pain will going to give you sweet result. Coconut burfi. Teaspoon ghee. Mix it well. Keep on mixing until it becomes thick. In between we will check our sugar syrup now. You can see water level became half now. So let it boil for some more time. Here you can see our mixture became little bit thick. So now add 2 cups condensed milk. Mix it thoroughly so that we can avoid lumps. Wow! Here you can see our sugar syrup is also ready. You can see the consistency. It should be one string consistency. Now add this sugar syrup. Mix it well. Yes, keep on mixing. Now add food color. Mix it nicely. Keep on mixing until it becomes thick paste. You can see it is became thick. Now we will transfer into the greased plain plate. Spread it nicely. Now we are going to keep it in a room temperature to get it cool. Now take silver foil. This is available in all sweet shops or general stores. Now put this on top of the cake and press it gently. You can see our cake is completely covered with the silver pepper. Wow, it looks so awesome. Now we are going to cut them into square pieces. Here is our coconut burfi. It's ready. Wow, it's delicious. Yummy. Feel like to have now only. I can't wait. So now it's your turn. So make your day special with this delicious sweet and tell us your feedback in the comments. Hope you liked our recipe. If yes, then do like our video and subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon for the new notifications. Thank you.